Hello again. This is Adam. It is time for puppet stories. I miss you kids, and so I want to introduce you to some silly puppets and hope you have a good time. And they're going to teach us something today. So here we go. Hello, little puppets. Hello. So good to see you. What would you like to do? Do you want to introduce yourselves to the world?
Yes, first of all, we are the little monkeys.
Hello, 5 little monkeys. Can you count yourselves?
We don't know how to count.
Oh, well, let me count for you. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys.
Hey, we like that. We are 5.
All right, introduce yourself.
My name is Thumpkin.
Well, hello, Thumpkin.
My name is Finger. And you can tell I'm Finger because I have 2 little hairs coming from my chin.
I see those little hairs. Well, hello, Finger.
I am Middler. I am the tallest brother.
Well, hello, tallest brother.
I am O because I have an O for a mouth.
I do like that. Nice to meet you, O.
And I am the littlest brother. My name is Pinkerton.
Well, hello, boys. I heard something and I wanted to check it out.
Yes?
Is it true that today is your birthday?
Oh, yes, it's our birthday.
That is so cool. Do you guys know the song Happy Birthday?
No, we don't know it. We just sing whatever we want to sing.
Like when it's your birthday, what kind of song do you sing?
Happy birthday to me.
Oh boy, that's quite the song.
Or you could sing Happy Birthday to me.
Well, do you guys want to hear like the song Happy Birthday?
Oh, we think that one would be pretty good. Okay, happy birthday it is.
All right, I'm gonna do it and you guys can dance along. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, dear
Little monkeys.
Happy birthday to you. Well, thank you, kids. I'm glad you went on the show and introduced yourself to the kids that I work with. These are the kids. Can you look out and see them?
We see them.
They are wonderful, and they are awesome. That's why we're making these videos, to make them smile. Okay. All right, say goodbye, little monkeys.
Bye, we'll see you later.
All right. I hope everyone has a great day. You are cared about, you are wonderful, and we miss you as teachers and as staff at Garner Blue.